Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to assign money to YNAB. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So, to add money, you want to click on transactions on the bottom, and then inflow, and then just add money. Choose in what category are you ready to add it. So, default one is inflow, so let's just do inflow, and at the bottom click save. And now you have money to assign, which is great. And to assign money, click on assign money and do it. Or you can click auto assign by, and the app will do it for you, like what is the best thing to put your money towards. Then just click save, and then that's it. All of your things like are on track. You can also assign the rest of money yourself, but that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.